Welcome to our channel. You will be amazed by the remarkable assortment of groundbreaking inventions we have today. Number 13. Haptx Gloves G1. The industry's most sophisticated haptic gloves are now available in a wireless lightweight package, according to their American designers. The $5,500 price tag, plus a $500 monthly subscription, would put off most customers, but the technology is pretty intriguing. The glove's compatibility with Unity and Unreal Engine, and hundreds of microdrives will make virtual Apple's parts, tools, and other objects feel identical to the real thing, and it opens up amazing teamwork opportunities. However, some users believe that this product will end up being as unpopular as the Power Glove, a NES controller. Number 12. Agrist. The land is scarce and should be used to the fullest extent possible. But frequently activities like irrigation are a bit difficult for farmers, so a variety of robots come to the rescue. For instance, this robot assists with harvesting and was also at CES 2023 and elsewhere. Interesting fact about Japan. Number 1 is that according to various estimates, only 12 to 15% of its area is suitable for agriculture. Interesting fact about Japan. Number 2, local farmers are 66 years old on average. Number 11. Glux Kind. A team from Canada offers parents this smart stroller, which would be the ideal companion for your growing family. On the inside, the stroller is packed with cool technology, a parking brake, just like in a car, the Ella twin-engine system, which can handle any uphill gradients, according to the manufacturer. A typical baby stroller can easily weigh more than 22 pounds without the little passenger, so for many parents, even a short walk turns into a workout. Number 10. Miroki. In hospitals, this robot will be useful since it will free up nurses by assisting to move patients, carry meals, medical documents, and other items. The model was made in France and has 2 variations. The creators of the Miroki, or boy, and Miroka, or girl, were inspired by Pixar animated films and created not just the overall design but also a whole narrative about these amusing long-eared animals. The inner workings are intriguing as well. The robots can be programmed to do things like put these things in their places, and they can move at a speed of about 2 miles per hour and last up to 8 hours on a single charge. They could be used in a hospital in Paris as early as 2024. Number 9. Techrapid Rise Bund. This system, which resembles an inflatable pool, guards against leakage from stationary and mobile barrels, tanks, and other containers. It can be used in oil production and refining areas. In the event of a leak, the PVC ring rises with the liquid to prevent it from reaching the ground, and the margin of safety allows you to park vehicles on top of the system. The range of the system is wide. For instance, there is a 179-gallon version that weighs only 31 pounds. Number 8. Samsung Flex Hybrid. Like the Galaxy Z Fold, but Samsung has already released an even fancier device that uses Flex Hybrid technology to simultaneously fold and twist the screen. As a result, the design of future gadgets is now only constrained by the designer's creativity. Flex Hybrid technology enables the creation of smartphones that can be expanded to the size of laptops, but Samsung has not yet specified when to anticipate it on the market. It is evident from the concepts and insider information that the 10.5-inch 4x3 screen can transform to 12.4 inches with a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. These are the features experts say will be seen in one of the Korean giant's newest smartphones. It's called the Flex Hybrid. Number 7. Shifu Mutalk. It looks like a Darth Vader mask or a muzzle and is a practical but bizarre-looking product from Japan that allows you to communicate without disturbing others. According to tests, it reduces the volume of your speech by 20 to 30 decibels, so if you're wearing it, the person sitting next to you won't hear a thing. It connects via Bluetooth to a variety of devices, including smartphones and computers. A single charge provides 8 hours of communication, and a 3.5mm jack is provided for headphones. You may hold the device to your mouth with one hand for brief discussions, and you can use the straps to keep it in place during longer conversations. Number 6. Solar panel covered Autoban. The globe will obviously require alternative resources since, according to experts' predictions, by 2026, the demand for natural gas in Europe will rise by nearly 60%. For this reason, engineers recommend to surprising alternatives. What do you think about utilizing fast streets as batteries? Since many European nations have costly land and heavily populated regions, the Austrian-German team's straightforward concept is to construct a type of roof with solar cells over the road. This is both a practical and cost-effective option. A total of 47 terawatt-hours of energy will be available to Germany alone, and the solar roof will guard against precipitation, extending the life of the roadbed. Number 5. City Glider. With a pinch of creative design and a pneumatic system, we can create shoes that lengthen our stride, allowing us to walk 10% more than usual and reducing the risk of foot and shin pain. Unfortunately, it's not yet clear how well this will work, because many people have reinvented their usual commuting patterns and are walking more often instead of traveling in crowded trains and buses. Number 4. Kokido Keops. Here is a more affordable, yet as helpful, item that costs $129. This pool heating system has a single heater that fits pools up to 354 cubic feet and raises the temperature by 9 to 27 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the weather. If more are needed for increased efficiency, they can simply be installed simultaneously. The only challenging part is getting the heater to elevate for at least 6 hours a day and be positioned at the best angle. Other than that, construction is simple, hoses and connections are provided, and the total structure weighs only 18 pounds. Number 3. Elon Road. An additional road project, the Swedish government budgeted about $8 million for the test section this time to charge electric cars, which is not a lot given that the EU intends to stop manufacturing cars with internal combustion engines by 2035. As a result, several governments are striving to increase public interest in purchasing electric vehicles now. This charging road is unique since it can accommodate a wide range of vehicles, including passenger cars, buses, and lorries. It just involves placing special rails on the road and mounting receivers on the automobiles. The system is online and manages payments while also keeping track of the data about the condition of the roads. Number 2. BMW Vision DEE. According to the story, a vehicle comparable to this BMW concept car will be available for purchase in 2025. This concept gives us an indication of the general direction that BMW is taking, and the next concept, which will be unveiled a little later, will be as similar to the production model as feasible. The automobile resembles a cross between a Hot Wheels car and a Tesla Cyber truck, and this is how BMW sees the future of digital mobility. Although the specifications have not yet been made public, they frequently discuss the smart features: an experimental self-learning digital assistant, a full-width windscreen projection display, options for augmented reality, and a steering wheel with a touchpad. Number 1. Vision. Additionally, Korean specialists have something to say. At CES 2023, the Hyundai Mobis team also unveiled some intriguing concepts for transportation of the future. Curiously, they don't discuss technical details, following the lead of BMW, so we only have a broad picture of their mobility of the future. Visitors to the show saw 2 concepts, the Vision 2 and the Vision High. Let's briefly discuss each of them. The Vision TO is a self-driving shuttle with plenty of glass that shows many pieces of important information, like stops, directions, and more. It also features augmented reality. Cameras, electric motors, lidars, radars, and wheels with a 90-degree turn. The Vision High is the same shuttle, but the seats have a cooler design. I sincerely appreciate you everyone watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you like what you watched, don't forget to click the subscribe button and enable the bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Leaving you